This drone would be incredible, but unfortunately it doesn't exist yet. That's right, you heard it correctly. The most revolutionary drone of recent times is nothing more than a prototype. The presentation video was impressive, it thrilled the drone community, and made many people believe it was already available for purchase. But after the reveal, which took place on August 14th, many questions remain unanswered. No price has been announced, and there's no information on where to buy it. But when researching more about this drone, we discovered that the reality is frustrating. It is still not for sale. This drone is just a project. There are only a few test prototypes, and not even the official price has been defined. The long-awaited sales launch will only happen in January 2026, if everything goes as planned. In other words, we are still months away from getting our hands on this technology that promises to revolutionize the market. The marketing strategy was a success, but it left a bittersweet feeling. Creators and enthusiasts now have to deal with the disappointment, because the anti-gravity remains just a dream on the horizon. This project is still in full development, and even the drones used at the launch event are nothing more than test prototypes. On the official anti-gravity website, they are actually promoting a kind of contest, with cash prizes for those who help test the prototypes and propose new ideas. Anyone who wants to participate just needs to register by the end of August and hope to be selected based on their profile. The prototype testing period will take place throughout September, and then they will use the rest of the year to implement the best ideas into the final version of this drone, which is expected to go on sale starting in January 2026. In other words, all the hype caused by this announcement was nothing more than a strategy to attract collaborators to help anti-gravity complete this project. I found anti-gravity's strategy very risky, as it will give DJI enough time to react and create its own 360 drone by the end of this year, which should not be very difficult for the largest company in this market. After all, DJI already dominates this entire production chain, and has also just entered the 360 camera world with the launch of the Osmo 360. Therefore, it would only need to combine the efforts of these two areas and release a better and more powerful drone, but with the DJI seal, a guarantee of quality and trust, backed by a large base of admirers and customers built over many years. The rest of the presentation did not bring many new features, nor were the specifications of this prototype disclosed, such as battery life or control range. All we know is that it will weigh under 250 grams and include front-facing anti-collision sensors. The big novelty was this unusual screen on the front of the goggles, which displays the same image the pilot is seeing. In practice, however, this may not be very useful, since the pilot's head will constantly be moving to find the framing of interest. Another highlight was the unprecedented way this drone is controlled. You simply point in the direction you want to fly and pull the trigger, and the drone moves easily and intuitively, as if it were an extension of your own movements. An interesting detail is that it features retractable landing gear, which lowers as soon as you power on the drone to protect the bottom lens, and automatically retracts and extends during takeoff and landing, ensuring a smooth and worry-free flight. Even though it is still just a prototype, the Insta360 Antigravity has already made clear the impact it could have on the future of the drone industry. It is not just another release, but the introduction of a new trend: drones that eliminate the need for a gimbal, offering fully stable 360-degree footage. This paradigm shift paves the way for a new era, where capturing every angle in high resolution will become natural and accessible. More than a product, the anti-gravity is a glimpse of what's to come, and a sign that the drone market will never be the same again. Now all that remains is to wait for DJI's response, which is surely already working hard to strike back in style. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.